Hello friends, join my kitty cat Jenna and I on a fun adventure on Kids Stories with Jess. Today's story is about Jess and Jenna's adventure into the rainbow forest.
Jenna, look at bubbles, they're flying everywhere. You're trying to catch them too? Be careful, they pop.
Jenna, catch the ball. What's that, Jenna? It's a butterfly and it's beautiful. Whoa, did you see that, Jenna?
Wow.
That butterfly is glowing. I've never seen. Come on, Jenna. Let's follow the butterfly. We're almost there. Wow, this place is amazing. Wow. What? The rainbow forest. Grace, come back. We want to see you. Come on, Jenna. Let's take a look around. What is this place? Wow, this place is incredible! Let's go explore, Jenna!
Yes, Jenna, let's have fun.
Jenna, this place is magical! Jenna, the magic seems to be fading away. But why is the magic fading away? Hi, are you okay? We are not okay. Our forest is losing its colors. What happened?
Long ago, every animal in Rainbow Forest shared colors with each other. That made the forest bright and beautiful. But then we started arguing about who had the best colors. Nobody wanted to share anymore.
I'm so sorry.
The rainbow crystal! It's fading again! The rainbow crystal keeps our forest colorful, but every time animals refuse to share, it loses its power.
Then we have to fix it.
We tried, but the path to the crystal is dangerous.
See? Jenna says we can try. Come on, guys, we can do this.
This is the river of colors. It only calms when animals share their colors.
I'm not giving my red.
What if sharing doesn't mean losing your color? What if it means making something more beautiful? Jenna, what happens when you share your toys with me?
Purr.
We have more fun together, right? I can share some yellow.
I will share some blue too.
Fine, I will share red.
You can do it. Share your colors. Yes, look how bright it's becoming. Do it, friends. Look, the colors are balancing. See? I told you you could do it. How do we cross to the other side? I knew this was a bad idea. Come on, friends, you don't have to cry. See, Jenna is also crying now. You don't need one animal's color. You need everyone's kindness. Everyone, hold paws and wings together. See? I told you could do it.
You saved our forest!
No, you saved it. You just needed to share again. I think it's time to go.
Yes, Jenna.
The glowing butterfly!
So pretty!
Come visit anytime.
Anytime!
Come visit anytime. Let's go home, Jenna. Was that real? I guess it was. You know what I learned today? Sharing doesn't make things smaller. It makes them more beautiful.
Ready for magic, Jenna? Whee! Sparkle high in the sky!